Go, Kay. Break dance. You doing a break dancing, baby? Go back there. Go, Kay. Woo.
Cover me.
I don't know where the hell to go. Where are we supposed to go, Joey?
Down that hill right there, to the right.
Break dancing.
You tried to lie to get me, huh?
No, you went the wrong way. Turn around.
Said to the right.
I said down that hill to
Quit
the right.
trying to kick your brother in the face. I see you.
That way. Down that off ramp. Not my fight under your directions.
Now you're gonna be goofy. Okay.
Oh, from a distance. You see that?
Good job.
Off the bridge.
Too bad you died.
So, you died a lot too. Oh, remember there's a tank up here. There's not going to be a tank.
There's gonna be a tank?
Yeah.
Spin. You gotta spin on your head. Yeah, go, okay.
Oh, I got it. Good.
See what I did?
No, what happened?
I hit him when he was pulling me with the tongue. I didn't know you could do that until I did it the first time.
Watch out for your brother. Caden. Hey. Hey. Why are you making yourself dizzy? Come here.
Wait a minute. Are you the tank?
No,
Come here, baby.
Charger.
Come here.
What a weird child.
He's trying to be like that breakdancing baby on
He's
YouTube.
making me dizzy.
He's making himself dizzy. See him? He's trying to do what that baby is doing.
Do a flip.